Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Lovable. Figma is a powerful, cloud-based design and prototyping tool, widely adopted by design teams for its collaborative features. Lovable, on the other hand, is an innovative platform specializing in user research and sentiment analysis, helping teams understand user feedback deeply. We will explore their distinct functionalities and how they serve different, yet complementary, aspects of product development. Figma excels in visual design, offering robust tools for creating user interfaces, interactive prototypes, and comprehensive design systems. Its real-time collaboration allows multiple designers to work simultaneously on a single file, boosting efficiency and streamlining workflows. With thousands of plugins and a vibrant community, Figma extends its capabilities far beyond basic design, supporting complex workflows and integrations across various teams. Lovable focuses on the crucial aspect of user understanding. It provides tools for collecting qualitative and quantitative feedback, conducting sentiment analysis, and identifying key user pain points. This platform helps product teams gather actionable insights from user interviews, surveys, and usability tests, translating raw data into clear, understandable reports for informed decision-making. It's designed to give you a deep dive into user sentiment. When deciding, choose Figma for your core design, prototyping, and collaborative visual asset creation needs. Opt for Lovable when your primary goal is in-depth user research, feedback collection, and sentiment analysis to truly understand your audience. Ideally, these two powerful tools can be used together, with Figma for creation and Lovable for validation, forming a comprehensive product development ecosystem that covers both design and user understanding effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.